Endra kwesi adanopa me breaking news be etremo. Say Ghana police in collaboration with some security agencies in Ghana eko hu etuo ene bomb ene nyama ye manufacture ewo Alajo hospital bi your friend is Citadel Hospital. Answer me better answer no. Subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no ena eda o screen so sisi abo ye sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka. Officially BNI de nkrata aba bontin itie for nsema wo mo kano eni nye BNI ni CID de wo mo kan se nkrofo na wo mo see hospital no hospital no wo mo de ye gun and bomb industry and a gun and bomb factory no wo mo produce gun and bombs wo no san nkrofo no na adwempo nti a wo mo de create sa nyama no adwempo a wo mo de produce sa guns and bombs ne se wo ma yo ma dwen se wo mo betu Ekufuado efi aban mu wo ma yo ma dwen se wo mo be ye coup d'etat na te so wo mo plot coup d'etat e wo Ghana this age nkrofo yi plot coup d'etat wo Ghana interna wo mo si hospital a wo mo aheda e produce etuo bombs ene nyama e wo hospital nim no etie for endra me de insane bro say sa dia na police for akoche no it's not good because say factory pan na say obi a wo hwe factory ni so no wo ya doctor o wa heda akofa ntrofobia wo mu nim etuo ye ena wo mo wo factory ho na say wo mu ye etuo ena etuo no ene bombs no ya ye ni bebre o ena wo mo aye no makopaki egu baby etie for ya dia enye nti no ende ya me ne wo ka say ye den krata ababonten omo den krata ababonten Ministry of Information Ministry of Information what tretre ensem ni mu ye nti Mary den krata na atrel na yenso yate ensem ase na first dia what try no was security agencies fail attempts to create instability in Ghana na say Ghana security agencies no womo spoile womo say attempt a nkrofo bi na womo aye say womo be ma basabasa yo akoso e wo Ghana no na was on Friday 20th September 2019 a joint security operation of personnel drawn from Defense Intelligence CID and Bureau of National Investigations BNI conducted a successful operation which led to the arrest of 3 persons and the retrieval of several arms, explosive devices and ammunition from locations in Accra and Baoleshi near Dodowa. Not just say any one place pe and an microphone woma campio. There's some locations in Accra and Baoleshi near Dodowa. Hey, now said the joint operation was to neutralize an elaborate plot targeted at the presidency and with the ultimate aim of destabilizing the country. Not just microphone again pontia womo esisi these factories womo dey produce bombs any etuo and they say womo person mutu omampanyi Ekufuado efi ade so na womo tu ne fi ade so wi a no mama Ghana basabasa yo esi na etiefo asem we dey mamenkasa wobi wo ho a wobekasa won ginsem bi ndi. I think a month ago listener bi anabobi a wota hwe me channel no wo kire me say wono no wo yo bi a wasumda ya etaibim na wasumda ya se basabasa yo koso wo Ghana wone ne pastor akasa wo ho mi ankasa masum sa da ye ne kra pen another pastors be pray accompany nti no sa story we ya eba bontinu to me hu se empire bo Ghana for airbo because a lot of people se benyame abie wo mu ani no wo musumda ye se nkrofo bi plan so mbe ye basabasa wo Ghana nti se bibi say security agencies no etumi stop attempt and say who say it is a serious thing. Now you tell so I was say the arrest and seizure come after 15 months of surveillance and gathering of evidence on the activities of the prime suspects and others. Not just say over a year 12 months, over a year plus 3 months. And a year security agencies no womunyante ye say nkrofo bi pese womu di sa nyamran semwe nti womu civilian omo wati ase womu di civilians to omo so womu hwe womu movement nia irade na nkrofo we be ma Ghana ye die mia na ye danyame ase pa na wase the persons arrested are Dr. Frederick Yao Macpam. Say di Macpam we I know the name. I know this Macpam name. I see the persons arrested are Dr. Frederick Yao Macpam and his 2 accomplices, Mr. Ezoka Fui, a local weapon manufacturer, and Mr. Bright Alandebra Ofosu, aka BB or ADC. Not just in Grofum Yensa way and Ayachi Omo. Doctor no, ono na Yesusu say we ye coordinator and a director at a hospital now we ma convert a produce a tuo any bombs no. Dr. McPam no aha and our kofa will be our Volta region. I friend of Mr. Ezoka Fui. Na sa nipa no ejuma we ye na say wono will produce a tuo, we ye a tuo. Inti no kofa ne ba say won be ye tuo ni nguo and ono nso ye guo and another person a friend of Bright Alandebra Ofosu ono nso ye de no eka ho. I see the following items were retrieved as part of the operation. Not to say in Yama you retrieve here one of the location one Citadel Hospital Alajuho. In Yama you retrieve here 5 locally manufactured pistols and magazines fitted on foreign pistol lenso kaon 3 locally manufactured pistol barrels 3 smoke grenades 22 improvised explosive devices 97.62 mm NATO AK-47 rounds, 2 AK-47 magazines, and a long knife. The outline plan for the operation presented by some soldiers at one of their meetings at Next Door Resort. Not just say weapons no, ye chi womo ye ko hu sa weapons no. Womo sanso hu plan na womo a planning. Say, oh, say, and I say near Bayer, say near Bayer, not as a Yokotu or Mampany Fiadia, so say near Bayer now, Yamagidiaba, Ghana. Not as said, oh, my plans in me out to paper, so it is our plan, so no, you 7 mobile phones, 2 iPads, 2 decoders, 1 modem, 3 tablets, 1 Ghanaian passport, 2 pen drives, 1 voice recorder, not as a Graphono, the men's business, 1 USB connector, machines and materials for manufacturing weapons and bombs. It's alajo honko and sa nyama we ni ko hu ho. Na ye wie ya no na ye ko sa violation near eye dodo wa no e ho ye ko hu 63 9mm NATO rounds. Etuo bako 63. It's here for serious so. Was it surveillance on the activities of the persons involved commenced in June 2018 when Dr. McPam and Bright Alandebra Ofosu BBB or ADC started organizing a series of meetings at the Next Door Beach Resort in Teshi and other locations in Accra in furtherance of their objectives. Not just say June last year to when Omosha say we mu meeting e wo beach resort and na we mu ye meetings so mu ye meetings so say near be ye do say between June and August 2018, BB, acting for and on behalf of Dr. McPam, conducted a number of 7 military personnel and talked them into hatching and executing a plot to obtain weapons. Not just a for one more a soldier phobia, one more cattle soldier for no say, oh, a soldier for Muna Yedimu be this and same way. I'm a soldier for net. Not just say they weren't working alone, they were working with soldiers, military personnel. Na mesre some military personnel now were money or more air working no. Yen you mo the just me can say yen you mo the can not just say still they have military training into to me AD in Sembone. Yen chi omuntum. They wanted to take over key installations and secure funding for the purpose of taking over the reins of government. Not just say in Yamabia, you say important Ghana, no more your majesty take over. These meetings were closely monitored. Now, I say in August 2018, Dr. McPam and 2 others, Kennedy Amwa and Dr. Albert Sam, based in the USA, formed a group called Take Action Ghana. Our mutual short FN tag under the guise of mobilizing the youth for nation building, education, health, and providing shelter to the needy. Evidence available shows the intent was to build a support base of youth and radicalize them against the political authority in Ghana. Not to say, "Womuni mebunu no ekasaye." And the Ghana mebunu so more frustrated into obi ba no tremo say, "Oh, education ye de nyama pa beba, health ye de nyama pa beba." Mebunu be this anko fu nechi. I see in furtherance of this scheme, Dr. McPam contracted one Mr. Ezo from Alavanyo to produce locally made weapons and improve. I'm not even surprised. Sa abrante we aboye to wo fi Alavano na enim say Alavano any nkonya wo montokwa no for a very long time still wo mokun de bia wo mokun wo ho na ninia efri say some people they know how to manufacture guns into wo mo manufacture ensa nansen akra asoja for ekọ sa Alavano no nkonya no soja for ko wa wo mokwa chi nkrofobia etuo bebregu wo mu dem na tese wo ma na mu ye etuo no nti yakofa nipa no efri Alavano ho ebe ye etuo no etiefo yeda nyankopon wase se wo mo plan na wo ma plan no ambemu montra mo adwon comment box ni mu me da ase